Hey everyone! Welcome to this exciting video where I'll dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. From its humble beginnings to the intelligent systems we interact with today, let's explore how AI has evolved. So, what exactly is AI? In simple terms, AI refers to machines or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, like problem-solving, decision-making, and learning. But AI isn't a new concept, it has been around for decades. The journey of AI began in the 1950s when pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid its foundation. Over time, AI has evolved from simple rule-based systems to complex, data-driven machine learning models. Now let's talk about the two major phases of AI development: classical AI and modern AI. Classical AI, also known as symbolic AI, relies on predefined rules and logic. These systems work well for structured problems but struggle with complex, unstructured data. Then came modern AI, which uses machine learning and deep learning techniques to learn from vast amounts of data and improve performance without explicit programming. Now let's understand some key AI concepts. AI systems learn through algorithms, sets of instructions that guide the learning process. These algorithms train models using large data sets to recognize patterns and make predictions. The more data an AI model is trained on, the better its predictions become. This is why AI has improved significantly in recent years. AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's already part of our daily lives. From suggesting your favorite shows to helping you navigate traffic, AI makes life easier and more efficient. Here are some examples of AI at work. Voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, AI-powered customer service chatbots, recommendation systems on Netflix, YouTube, and Amazon, and even self-driving cars. AI is evolving rapidly, shaping industries and transforming the way we live and work. What do you think about AI's future? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech content. See you in the next video. AI is also making waves in healthcare, from diagnosing diseases to personalizing treatment plans. In finance, AI algorithms analyze market trends and assist in making investment decisions. Education is another field being transformed by AI, with personalized learning platforms adapting to individual student needs. Even the creative arts are seeing AI-generated music, art, and literature pushing the boundaries of creativity. However, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical considerations in AI development are crucial to ensure fairness and prevent biases. Ensuring AI safety and security is paramount as these systems become more integrated into our lives. The future of AI holds endless possibilities, from smart cities to advanced robotics. It's an exciting time to be part of this technological revolution. So, stay curious and keep exploring the world of AI with us.